Welcome to my channel. Please showing my top 5 best products review.
Product review number 1.
Material feature. Eco-friendly cleaning gel for car. Car cleaning kit, universal detailing. Looking for the perfect cleaning gel to keep your car spotless? Look no further than the Puladiki car cleaning kit with its innovative gel formula. This cleaning gel is a versatile tool designed to tackle those hard to reach spaces in your car, from air vents to door handles, console panels to cup holders. Its gel form allows for easy application and effective removal of dust, dirt, and debris. Simply push the gel into the desired area, press it on, and watch as it lifts away the grime. One of the standout features of this car cleaning gel is its eco-friendly nature. Made from a cleaning gel that is both effective and gentle, it leaves a sweet and lightly fragranced scent behind. It's not only perfect for car interiors, but also works wonders on other surfaces like keyboards, PCs, laptops, cameras, and more. The reusable idea of this gel guarantees that you can make the most out of it until it becomes dark, and it very well may be helpfully put away in a fixed box. Pros: versatile and effective in cleaning hard to reach car spaces, eco-friendly and lightly fragranced, reusable until the gel turns black. Suitable for various surfaces including car interiors, keyboards, and more. Cons: avoid using the gel on water-sensitive surfaces. Not recommended for use on mechanical keyboards or electronic screens.
Product review number 2.
Car cleaning gel. 2023 car accessories for women and men. 5. Pack car cleaning supplies. Introducing the Alberta car cleaning gel, the ultimate solution for a spotless car interior. With its high-tech cleaning material and no-stick formula, this car cleaning gel is a must-have accessory for both men and women. Say goodbye to sticky hands and broken cleaning tools. Our car cleaning putty is specially designed to pick up dust and debris without leaving any residue behind. Using the Alberta car cleaning gel is a breeze. Just take a part of the gel and drive it into those hard to arrive at breaks and cleft. Roll or press it gently for a few seconds, then watch as it effortlessly lifts away the dust. This versatile cleaning gel can be used on various surfaces like air vents, gear shifts, knobs, door handles, and even your PC, tablet, or laptop. One of the best features of our car cleaning gel is its reusability and durability. You can utilize it on different occasions until it obscures. What's more, when you're finished, essentially store it in a cool spot for some time later. The Alberta car cleaning gel comes in a pack of 5, ensuring you have enough to keep your car clean for a long time. Its conservative size makes it simple to convey with you any place you go. So why wait? Experience the power of our car cleaning gel and enjoy a pristine interior like never before.
Product review number 3.
Tycarv cleaning gel for car detailing car cleaning putty. Introducing the Tycarv cleaning gel for car detailing, the perfect solution for achieving a spotless car interior. With its vibrant green color and high-tech cleaning material, this car cleaning putty is designed to reach every nook and cranny, picking up dust, debris, crumbs, and even pet hair with ease. Using this car slime is a breeze. Simply push the detailing tool into the little cracks, and watch as the gel sticks to the dirt and pulls it out effortlessly. It's not just limited to car interiors. This versatile gel can also be used to clean keyboards, printers, cell phones, calculators, TV remotes, and even furniture. One of the standout features of this gel is its reusability. You can utilize it on different occasions until the variety turns dim, and afterward basically store it back in the container in a cool spot. The Tycarv cleaning gel leaves no residue, and its pleasant Provençal scent adds a refreshing touch. Pros: effectively cleans hard to reach areas in your car interior, reusable and can be used multiple times, versatile and suitable for various surfaces and devices, leaves no residue and has a pleasant scent. Cons: not suitable for cleaning carpets.
Product review number 4.
Color Coral Cleaning Gel Universal Gel Cleaner for Car. The Color Coral Cleaning Gel, the ultimate cleaning solution for all your electronic devices and hard to reach areas. Whether it's your PC or laptop keyboard, car vents, camera, printer, cell phone, calculator, speaker, television, or air conditioner, this cleaning gel is designed to tackle them all with ease. One of the standout features of this gel is its natural composition, making it non-sticky to hands and completely safe with no skin irritations. It even carries a delightful lavender fragrance, adding a pleasant touch to your cleaning routine. Using the Color Coral cleaning gel is simple and efficient. Simply guarantee your hands are dry and clean. Take a piece of the gel, manipulate it into a ball, compress it onto the surface you need to clean, and afterward tenderly haul it out. Watch as the gel captures and removes dust and debris effectively. Pros: versatile cleaning gel for various electronic devices and rugged surfaces. Natural gel composition that is non-sticky and safe for hands. Pleasant lavender fragrance for a refreshing cleaning experience. Can be reused until it becomes dark or sticky. Cons: not suitable for washing with water.
Product review number 5.
Tycarv Cleaning Gel for Car Detail Tools Car Cleaning. Introducing the Tycarv Cleaning Gel, the perfect solution for keeping your car spotless and free from dust and debris. This vehicle cleaning gel is intended to arrive at the little hiding spots of your vehicle, easily getting soil from vents, directing wheels, console boards, capacity canisters, cup holders, entryway handles, and dashboards. Using the gel is incredibly easy. Basically, take it out with dry hands, manipulate it a couple of times, and compress it onto the surface you need to clean. As you slowly pull it out, you'll witness the dirt being carried away with the gel. The best part? This cleaning putty is reusable, allowing you to use it multiple times until the color turns darker. Just store it back in the jar in a cool place after each use. Pros: highly effective in cleaning hard to reach areas in your car, reusable and can be used multiple times, made of high-tech material with a pleasant lavender scent, leaves no residue behind. Cons: not washable with water.
Thank you for watching this video. If you found this video helpful, please hit the subscribe button, press the bell icon, and comment below. Check out the description to find the product.